project title on World Happiness Report on year 2015. Each country's happiness score is calculated by summing the 7 other variables which is in the table. Each of these variables reveals a population weighted average score on a scale running from 0 to 10 that is tracked over time and compared against the other countries. The table contain the variables are economy, which is the real GDP per capita, and family social support, health, healthy life expectancy, freedom to make life choices, trust, perceptions of corruption, generosity, perceptions of generosity, and dystopia. Each country is compared against a hypothetical nation that represents the lowest nation averages for each key variable and is along with the residual error used as a regression benchmark. Each country's happiness score determines its happiness rank, which is its relative position among other countries in that specific year. For example, the first row indicates that Switzerland was ranked the happiest country in 2015 with the happiness score is 7.587. Switzerland was the rank first just before Iceland, which scored 7.561. Denmark was ranked in third place, that is 2015, and so on. It is interesting to note that Western Europe took 7 of top 8 rankings in 2015. I shall concentrate on the final happiness score to demonstrate the technical aspects of our language. So first, include the library dplyr, then set the working directory and load the happiest dataset of year 2015 and view data. So it's look like this. That is, the Switzerland holds the first rank and the happiness score is 7.587. Iceland also belongs Western Europe and its rank is 2. Its score is 7.561, and Denmark is also another Western Europe country which rank is 3 and the happiness score is 7.527. Next, so before that, data normalization. So drop the field standard error from the existing data, that is column number 5. So here data, this is the column number 5 contain the standard error which is not important. So how to drop this data? Drop this column, that is data from, that is a minus is indicating the drop that particular column and view this data. So that is after executing, so drop that field, that is a standard error. Okay, so next is show the number of distinct regions in this data set. So that is, the command is distinct, within that the data and distinct is the region wise distinct. So within that, this region is the field name. So after executing, there are the 10 regions: Western Europe, North America, Australia and New Zealand, Middle East and Northern Africa, Latin America and Caribbean, Southern Asia, Central and Eastern Europe, Eastern Asia, Sub-Saharan Africa, Southern Asia. Next, we add another column continent with the value NA in the existing data, that is the data continent is the variable name. We just try to add this field, initially is NA, and add the values of that particular field using the continent wise. So first, that is the continent which data region is either in Australia and New Zealand, that means the continent is Australia. Similarly, the second line, that is the data continent which data region in North America, is the continent is obviously North America. And the third one is region is Western Europe, Central and Eastern Europe, that means the continent is Europe. And the next line, if the data region is Sub-Saharan Africa, Middle East or North and Northern Africa, that means the continent is Africa. And after that, if the region is Eastern Asia, Southern Asia, Southern Eastern Asia, that means the continent is Asia. And the last line is region is Latin America and Caribbean, that means this is the South America. So there is a view data. So after executing this chunk of data, that will produce that is the continent, that is the continent, and depend on the region, just include it here. Next is calculate the mean or average on all the numerical fields continent wise. So over the continent wise, the aggregate the data, that is the command is aggregate is the function data from column number 4 to 11, all the numerical fields, that is the function is mean. So after executing it will produce, that is the group dot 1, that is the all the continent, that is Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. Happiness score of the continent Africa is 4.60. That is the average value over group after grouping the continent wise. That means the economy GDP of this continent is 0.6093065. Family, health, life expectancy, freedom, trust, government, all the values are coming as a group wise. Next, for visualization, we add some libraries, that is the ggplot2, coregram, coreplot. After executing this, now display the summary report. So from this report we can easily conclude that maximum and minimum happiness score, maximum and minimum happiness score, maximum score is 7.587 and minimum score is 2.839. Maximum GDP is 1.6904, sorry, it's my missing. And the health life expectancy, that is the highest value, is 1.0252, and similarly for the freedom also. So next, display the top 10 countries with their happiness rank. So there are the Switzerland is the first happiness country in 2015. So happiness score is 7.587, GDP is 1.39651, and it's belong to Western region, and the continent is Europe. And similarly for the second place, In second place, Iceland, which is also belongs to Western region. Denmark in a third place, which is also belongs to Western Europe. So from first 10 countries, 8 countries are belongs to Western Europe. So 10 within the 10 happiest countries, 8 from Western Europe and 2 from Australia and New Zealand region. Display the uh, top 10 countries with their least happiness rank on a unhappiest rank. So using the command view tail of data 10, so displaying this, so this is the most unhappiest country. Most of the countries that belongs to sub-Saharan Africa, that is the number of 8 of 10 are belongs to sub-Saharan Africa. Next, visualize the average happiness score of each continent. So here Australia, North America, South America are the happiest continents, whereas Africa and Asia are least happiest. Next, calculate the correlation among all the numeric variables. So happiness rank with the happiness score is a negative correlated, and happiness score with the GDP all are positive correlation and strong correlated. So after this correlation, that is the plot that correlation among all the numerical features. So from this scenario this value is highly correlated. So happiness rank is inversely proportional with the happiness score, and all the that is the happiness score are strongly correlated with economy, GDP, family, health, life expectancy, freedom, and dystopia residual. So following are the highest correlations variables, that is GDP, family, health, freedom, and dystopia residual. Visualize the region wise happiness score using the box plot. So from this observation, so Western Europe and North America and Australia and New Zealand region are happiest region, and Sub-Saharan Africa is the unhappiest region. This contains the 40 countries, whereas in happiest region North America contain 2 countries, Australia and New Zealand contain 2 countries, that is Australia and New Zealand, and Western Europe contain 21 countries. That means 25 countries are belongs to the happiest region, and 40 countries belongs the unhappiest region. Similarly, visualize the continent wise happiness score using the box plot. So from this plot, Europe, that is the Europe is the happiest continent. Because is that obviously Australia and North America are also the happiest, because this contain only the 2 countries. This continent contain only 2 countries each. So obviously Europe is the most happiest continent all over the world. Now regression analysis among all the numerical features one by one. So regression analysis between health with happiness score. So after visualization, Europe and South Africa, Europe and South America have strong correlations. Most of them are near to 1, so that is a strong correlated, whereas Africa is near neutral. Next, regression analysis between the economy and happiness score. Economy in this plot, South America have strong correlations. The data not comparable for North America and Australia because these two continent only contain two countries each. Regression analysis between freedom and happiness score. So from this we can easily conclude that Europe and South America have positive correlation, where Africa is more poor correlation. Regression analysis between family and happiness score. Whereas Europe and South America have positive correlation. Regression analysis between trust of government and the happiness score. So from this observation, Asia, Africa and South America have least trust, whereas Europe has mixed trust. Visualize the region-wise happiness score using box plots. That is, I discussed earlier. So here now we actually classify all the data based on the happiest, neutral and the least happiness region. So from this plot we can easily say that is the Western Europe, North America and Australia and New Zealand region are most happiest region. So whereas Sub-Saharan Africa is the least happiest region, or except this all are neutral regions. So classify this and regression analysis over economy of the over the happiness over happiness. So from this, happiest have highest correlation, whereas least happiest has low correlation. Regression analysis over family, how effect on the happiness. So from this that is the happiest are highly correlated, what is the neutral is also. So no such effect over that. But regression analysis over health, here least happiness has low correlation, whereas happiest data is not related to the health. Happiness is similarly for freedom also, happiness is not related to the freedom. Regression analysis over the trust, similarly happiness is not related to the trust on the government. Regression analysis over generosity from this plot, people from neutral nations are less generous. So, regression analysis over this dystopia residual has no such effect on the happiness. So it is a mixed. Now plot the GDP and health expectancy on the world map. So first load the library R world map. So next is the plot the world map for GDP 2015. Is that so most greenish are the high GDP over the world, and the last plot the world map for health expectancy. Similarly, green color is the high health expectancy.